Okay, so what's up everybody? So today we're making a tank. So as you can see, the design isn't really that complex. It's just the treads, some sensors, some motors, the battery, and the controllers. This design took me about like a day and some change. And as you can see, we got the ultrasonic sensor right here for the depth perception. We have a motion sensor on the left and the right, so it can see if something's on its left or right moving. We have the treads. We have two 12-volt motors in the back. We have the motor controller. We have the battery, and we have the Arduino. So right now, I'm gonna skip to a quick build montage so you can see how I put this together, how I printed the parts, and how everything went. Okay, so now I got all the parts printed out. Got the treads, got the body. Second half of the body, I'm still glue it together. My motors came in this morning, so I'm gonna fix those and solder them. You actually notice they fit perfectly into the spot I made for them. It just fits right there. Actually, see it? Yeah. So it fits perfectly. I'm probably gonna glue them or tape them in there. Yeah. So probably next time you see this, we'll be all together and ready to go. Okay, so right now I got the tank all put together, motors in the back, treads on the side. Everything put together. I'm gonna put the batteries and everything just to see how much weight it actually has and see if it really moves now. So yeah. Okay, so as you can see, this right here is the design I'm going for. I got the battery right here, I got the Arduino here, I got the breadboard, the motor controllers, I got the motors, I got the the receiver, I got all the electronics here for the depth sensors and the motion sensors, the treads on the side. And yeah, that's basically what it looks like right now. I'm gonna try and get the code working today or tomorrow, so you should see that video soon. Alright, so thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment.